employer or an employee, how do you define comp time? Here are 3 things to be aware of in considering a company's comp time policy. An employee is entitled to overtime unless her position and duties fall into specific exemptions. If not, the employee is classified as a non-exempt employee and entitled to overtime for every hour over 40 they work in a given work week. If you're an employer, it's important to know that overtime is not calculated based on your payroll period, but on a work week. Most companies have 2-week payroll periods. So if an employee works 50 hours in week 1 of the payroll period, but only 30 hours in week 2, the employer would pay the employee for 70 hours of work at the employee's regular rate and 10 hours of overtime, even though the employee worked a total of 80 hours during the payroll period. Now let's say that employee instead wants to work over 40 hours in a week and bank the extra hours for future absences. This comp time policy likely violates overtime laws. 2 other scenarios are commonly referred to as comp time are compressed work weeks and flex time. A compressed work week is where a non-exempt employee works 4 10-hour days in a work week and takes the next 3 days off. In this case, an employer not paying overtime doesn't violate federal overtime law since the employee didn't work more than 40 hours that work week. And the 3rd definition of comp time is flex time, where an employee works different hours than the normal workday to accommodate personal obligations or a disability. As long as the employee is paid overtime for every hour they work over 40 in the work week, flex time is unlikely to violate overtime laws. Subscribe to get my latest tips and find more information at my website. I'm attorney Nancy Greene, and I'm here to help you avoid the legal landmines that could blow up your business. Just when you thought I was finished, here's the legal mumbo jumbo.